One is, talk about mga maling akala when you were thinking about having kids and own family. Okay to, maganda to. Because everyone knows I married late and everyone knows I love to read. I love to research. So, ginawa ko, dun sa 9 months, actually even before, I kept on reading books about parenting, about kids, merong mga certain things. I can say na there's no one perfect parenting. There's no one magical book. There's no one rule book na pwedeng sundin. Sa bawat nabasa ko, I would just get bits and pieces from it. Sa totoo lang, I think each kid varies. Alam mo yon, your husband varies. Alam mo yon, I mean, yung asawa ko, hindi pareho ng mga ex ko. hindi pareho ng asawa nyo, diba? So, let's go into specifics. Number 1, sa pagtulog na lang ng bata, hindi lahat ata ng bata is okay for sleep training or hindi lahat ng magulang is okay for sleep training. I personally said I will sleep train my kids before I had a kid. But when I had my kid, ayoko na siyang malayo sa akin. I sleep with my babies. Kasi sa sleep training, you have to put them in another area or another cot and then let them sleep on their own. Hindi ko pala siya kaya. Baka kaya ng anak ko, pero baka yung nanay hindi kaya. Gusto ko yung push ko yung anak ko gabi-gabi. As I was telling Blake, kasi he was saying, wala na talaga tayong privacy, ganito na lang. 3 na natutulog sa kama natin. Sabi ko, you know what? To be honest, ikaw, anong age ka nag-start magbarkada or gumimik or umalis ng summer or nagkaroon ng sariling room? Sabi ko, ako late na nga ako. Lumipat ako sa room ko parang, I think, 12 na ako. By 14, bumabarkada na ako. Nagkakaroon na ako ng out-of-town trips, ganyan. Siyempre, may companion ako noon. But still, sabi ko, see, we technically only have 18 summers with them. 18 years of their lives. Pero, sa totoo lang, mas less pa nga. Because nga, they start going out early, they start having friends. So, sabi ko, things are so fast. Like ngayon, si Bas, 4 na. 4 years old? Parang kailan lang sus ko na nag-aabang tayo lahat na lalabas siya sa tiyan, di ba? The reason why there's no manual to parenting and to marriage, because there's no one perfect rule. It really depends on each person. Sinabi ko rin dati, naku, ako yung tipong mom na, I know I'm so high on life and my career. So, inisip ko, ako yung tipong mom na willing ako na kaya kong magtrabaho, iwan yung mga kids. Alam mo, every time I have to go, day trip lang nga to eh. Alam mo yung hirap na hirap ako because ayokong iwan yung mga anak.